T-54 2025 has emerged as a game-changer for the Indian Army, offering a cost-effective yet powerful modernization of a battle-tested platform. With India's focus on upgrading its existing armored fleet rather than investing entirely in new tanks, the T-54 2025 presents a smart solution. This upgraded variant retains the rugged reliability of the original Soviet design while integrating cutting-edge technology to meet modern warfare demands. The Indian Army, which still operates a significant number of older T-55s, could see this as a viable option to bolster its armored divisions without breaking the bank. One of the most notable improvements in the T-54 2025 is its enhanced armor protection. The turret and hull have been reinforced with advanced composite materials and explosive reactive armor ERA kits, significantly improving survivability against modern anti-tank missiles and RPGs. Given India's varied terrain, from the deserts of Rajasthan to the mountainous borders, the tank's upgraded mobility is another key factor. A new 800 horsepower diesel engine replaces the older power plant, ensuring better speed and fuel efficiency, while an improved suspension system allows for smoother movement over rough landscapes. Firepower has also received a major boost in the T-54 2025. While retaining the classic 100mm DX-0T gun, the tank now supports advanced ammunition, including high-explosive anti-tank, heat, and APFSDS rounds. The addition of a modern fire control system with thermal imaging and laser rangefinders ensures high accuracy, even in night operations, a critical feature for India's defense needs along its volatile borders. Some reports suggest that the Indian Army may even test indigenous ammunition with this platform, further enhancing its lethality. Another standout feature is the integration of digital battlefield systems. The T-54 2025 now comes equipped with a situational awareness suite, allowing real-time data sharing with other units, a crucial advantage in network-centric warfare. This aligns with India's push toward digitizing its armed forces. Additionally, the inclusion of an auxiliary power unit (APU) reduces thermal signatures, making the tank harder to detect by enemy drones and thermal imaging systems, an essential upgrade given recent conflicts where drones have played a major role. For India, the T-54 2025 isn't just about firepower and protection, it's also about logistics and maintenance. Since the Indian Army already has extensive experience operating T-55 variants, training crews for the upgraded T-54 would be far simpler and cheaper than transitioning to an entirely new tank. Spare parts and repair infrastructure are already in place, reducing downtime and operational costs. This makes the T-54 2025 a practical choice for maintaining a strong armored presence without straining the defense budget. While some may argue that India should focus on indigenous projects like the Arjun Mach 1A or future tanks under the Future Ready Combat Vehicle (FRCV) program, the T-54 2025 offers a stopgap solution that delivers immediate results. Its combination of affordability, upgradability, and combat effectiveness makes it a compelling option for the Indian Army's diverse operational needs. Whether deployed in defensive roles along the Western Front or in counterinsurgency operations, this modernized war machine proves that old platforms can still pack a serious punch in the 21st century. As India continues to modernize its military, the T-54 2025 could play a key role in bridging the gap between legacy systems and next-generation armor. With its blend of Soviet-era durability and modern tech, this tank might just become an unexpected yet vital asset in India's defense strategy. Keep an eye out for possible trials or inductions, because when it comes to armored warfare, sometimes the old dogs learn the best new tricks.